Ever wonder why some people never seem to worry about money, regardless of market swings? It's not just about being rich. They use a surprisingly simple system, a mental framework that organizes their finances and eliminates stress. They divide their money into three distinct buckets. First is the security bucket. This holds 6 to 12 months of living expenses in cash or very safe assets. It's liquid, accessible, and its only job is to provide peace of mind for emergencies. You don't invest it, you protect it. Next is the growth bucket. This is for the long term, 10 years or more. It's invested in assets like stocks and real estate, designed to compound and build real wealth. You let this bucket work for you. Finally, the lifestyle bucket covers your current spending, letting you enjoy life without guilt. By assigning every dollar a specific job, you stop looking at one giant, overwhelming number. It's a strategy for clarity, not just for the wealthy, but for anyone.